How to turn off Discord notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Then scroll down to the app settings section. And from here click on notifications. As you can see, it has three options that are related to the app notification. The first one is the system notifications, in which you will get notifications outside of Discord, so click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. The second one is the in-app notifications, in which you will get notifications within Discord itself, so click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And the third option is the customization option, and as it says, tweak notification settings. This option has advanced notification settings which are controlled by the system, so click on it. You will be redirected to the Discord notification section, which is controlled by your system. So here you will be able to turn off all the notifications from Discord at once, or you can turn them off one by one. Say for example, conversation grouping, you can turn this off or turn it on. And here in the other section, you can see you can turn them. Say for example, if you want to turn some off but let the other ones on, you can do that. Say for example, calls, messages, and friends, you can turn them off while leaving the others on, so you can really customize these as you want. But for the sake of this video, we will turn them all off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off notifications on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.